Hi guys, this is John K and here we are for another unboxing video. So today we are going to unbox this figure from SEGA. So let's start by removing the bubble wrap. Again, this character is from the Demon Slayer anime and his name is Inosuke Hashibira. Now let's inspect the box and make sure that the figure we got is authentic. So this is what you will see in front of the box. On top of the box you will see several Japanese text. So here you can see the SEGA logo as well. And also this warning sign. On the right side of the box, you should see two full body images of the figure. And then on the left side is a close-up shot of our figure. And at the back, you will see again several Japanese texts with a QR code. And at the bottom, there's nothing. Now it's time for me to open the box to see the figure up close. As you can see, this amazing figure from SEGA comes with Inosuke's boar head mask. And did you know that this boar head mask is actually Inosuke's mother? Yep, that's right. This female boar actually found Inosuke abandoned in the woods and she took care of him as her own. Now here's our handsome Inosuke figure. As you can see, it's not really obvious that Inosuke loves to eat, right? Okay, the paint job is nice. Yeah, I don't see any excess paints. At the back, on the head. Amazing. This figure is really amazing. Now I'm imagining Inosuke saying, "I'm not giving you my bird." I hope I excellently mimic Inosuke's voice there. You can also put the boar head mask on top of his head. Yeah, just like this. And now let's perform a side-by-side comparison with Tanjiro. Let me know what you think, guys, by leaving a comment below. Don't be shy, okay? Now let's compare it with Zenitsu. And now with Kanao Chuyuri. They look like siblings, don't you think? But they're actually not. Now let's try to arrange these figures. I think they look nice all together. Seeing these figures all together makes me want to sing the song Together We Stand from the Boss Baby movie, and it goes like this. We know that divided we'll fall, so together we stand. I hope my singing did not ruin your day. And that's it. That ends my unboxing video. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you again next time. Godspeed.